So in this video, you'll learn how to add another fingerprint to your Samsung Galaxy A36. So if you have one fingerprint registered on your phone and you want to add multiple, then this is what you need to do. Open the Settings app and then scroll and select Security and Privacy. Tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics and then enter in your current PIN, password, or pattern. From here, select Fingerprints, and then in order for you to add a second fingerprint to your device, you need to select the option Add Fingerprint, then tap on Register, and go through the process of registering your fingerprint on your phone. So just go through the process as you would when you first registered your fingerprint. And once your fingerprint has been added, you have the option of adding another one by tapping on Add, or you can just select Done and be satisfied with the fingerprint that you've just added onto your phone. And so now you can use any of the fingerprints that you have registered to unlock your device. Whether it's the thumb or it's the middle finger, it's completely up to you. And so that's how you can register a secondary or third fingerprint on your Galaxy A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.